Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng sariling online store business? If yes ang sagot mo, then keep on watching this video. By the way, my name is Ed and may gusto akong ipakita sa'yo na 100% online business na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan. At ang maganda dito, ang business nito ay tumatanggap ng cash on delivery. Kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng any products online, then dito sa business nito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock ng products at ipadala ang orders sa customers mo kasi company na ang gagawa nito para sa iyo. Another good news is, kaka-launch pa lang ng business nito, kaya I'm super excited to share this business with you. But before that, I have a quick question for you. Nasa stage ka ba ng buhay mo ngayon at kahit anong trabaho mo, kulang pa rin yung kinikita mo? Yung tipong ginawa mo na ang lahat, pero at the end of the month, yung take-home pay mo is kulang pa rin. Well, my friend, congratulations because this business is exactly for you. This business might be the answer to your financial problem and I truly believe na hindi po accident na napanood mo ang video nito. Now, kung gusto mong malaman ang online business nito, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-click ang link na nasa taas or baba ng video nito and I will personally message you para maibigay ko sa iyo ang full details ng online business nito. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next page.